guys and welcome to True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I have some very important announcements for you, especially for people giving their CFA exam in August 2025. Other than that, anybody planning to start the CFA exam, having early career issues, first job issues, all of you all have to watch this video because the announcement is very important. And of course, True Talk with Tea है तो थोड़ी सी गपशप, थोड़ी सी live updates भी आपको दूंगी. Guys, before we move forward, please ignore the look, please ignore the background. थोड़ा सा कैमरा भी हिलेगा because मैंने literally हाथ से पकड़ा हुआ है. I've been, I don't know, very unwell today. आज सुबह से I've been feeling, fever, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी भी लगी है. वो तो मुझे जब से बॉम्बे आई हूँ तब से I'm on and off on an Allegra because allergy season is here. But yeah, I'm just not feeling my 100%. But ये वीडियो बनाना ही था. And obviously आपको पता है I try my best to not falter on the commitment of posting the 3 long videos. So yeah, dedication के साथ I hope कि at least ये message आपको पहुँचे. In fact मेरी जो intern इसको edit करने वाली है who makes my thumbnails ज़्यादा, even she's a little under the weather. अब हम इतने बीमार होके भी पूरी team dedicatedly आपको video पहुँचा रहे हैं. So please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do that. If you've ever liked my work even a little bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so let's start with the announcements. Announcement number 1 is for everybody giving the CFA exam in August 2025. CFA level 1, CFA level 2 or CFA level 3. I am coming live next week. I am thinking between Wednesday or Friday. आप लोग मुझे बताओ what is the day you prefer. Wherein I will tackle all your last 1 month strategic doubts. Okay, DEFIL related questions, anxiousness हो रहा है, accuracy पे doubt है, anything that's going on in your head that you feel you want to discuss with me or you want to ask me one-on-one immediate answer चाहिए, कभी कभी comments में बाद में answer आता है. So ये सब उस live में answer होगा. It is not something you want to miss. I do this for every single attempt and most people I've seen have benefited, I hope. But कहते तो हैं कि benefit करते हैं. So if you have any such doubt, please join that live and let me know Wednesday or Friday what is the day convenient to you. Mostly it would be Wednesday as of now, but if majority people say Friday, I'll switch to Friday. 1 second, my hand is pinging. Sorry. Announcement number 2 is an even bigger and better announcement. A month back I had made a video announcing a giveaway. That giveaway is still going on. What is the giveaway? As you can see, the channel is inching closer to 10,000 subscribers. Please भगवान जी touch. Hopefully हो जाए. I wanted कि जुलाई में हो जाता but नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. Hopefully August में हो जाए. August is also official channel birthday, I would say. But yeah, the channel is inching towards 10,000 and मैंने promise किया था that the moment we hit 10,000 I will give 3 lucky winners a chance to get a proper 1-hour consultation session with me. These sessions are usually paid for but you will get it absolutely free. You basically get to sit with me on a Google Meet one-on-one, ask any career related doubt, CFA related doubt, whatever it is, I will guide you. How can you avail this? Very simple. I've already made a long video. I'll tell you the quick rules here as well. You have to share the favorite video of yours or just the channel link on your Instagram story. Tag us on Instagram at truly_Tanishka. Okay, my Instagram ID is always in the related description. You can check it out. Step number 2, on this particular video, I'm posting the photo here. I'll post the link in the related description. उस video पे जाके you have to drop a comment and say why do you deserve the chance to get the consultation. What is your relationship been with the channel? You can put anything. What's your relationship been with the channel? Why do you like my work? Or if ever, basically you need to tell me why should I choose you to get the consultation. The moment we hit 10,000 subscribers, after the thank you video, the next video would be the announcement for these 3 lucky winners. So you still have time. We still have about 800 subscribers left. So तब तक के लिए please join that giveaway in case you want a free consultation session with me. So yes, ये हो गई important updates, important announcements. अब आते हैं live update पे. As you guys know, I'm back in Bombay. It's gonna be exactly 2 weeks by the time you see this video. 1 day less than 2 weeks that I would be back. And अगर आपने मेरा previous live update video देखा था just before this one, उसमें मैंने कहा था जुलाई हैज़ टू बी सच अ हेक्टिक मंथ, कितना कुछ होना है, ये वो होना तो है पर हो नहीं रहा है. and it has literally driven me mad. I have been so irritated जब से मैं आई हूँ. जो जो चीज़ें होनी थी सब उल्टा हो रही है, एंड इट्स रियली लाइक मेकिंग मी वेरी एंक्शियस. कितनी बार मेरा दिल करता है कि वीडियो भी नहीं बनाऊँ, मेरे से नहीं होगा, बट देन आई कीप रिमाइंडिंग माई सेल्फ कि दिस इज़ वॉट लाइफ इज़, एंड दिस इज़ माई रिमाइंडर टू यू. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज वॉट यू एक्सपेक्ट वो होगा, बट यू नीड टू लर्न टू शो अप इवन ऑन द डेज व्हेन जो आप चाहते थे वो नहीं हो रहा है, एंड कंटिन्यू वॉकिंग. वो कहते हैं ना, कर्म करते हो, इवेंचुअली यूल गेट वॉट यू हैव टू. बट या, आई वोंट लाई, फ्रस्ट्रेशन मुझे बहुत हो रही है, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है. यहाँ पे बहुत काम एंड कंपोज लगे हो, मेरे बेचारे घर वाले रोज़ झेलते हैं उसको, बट वी स्टिल हैव टू डू वॉट वी हैव टू डू वेदर और नॉट वे हैप्पी. इवन एज बेसिक तो क्या, सबसे बड़ी चीज़ वही है. मुझे जुलाई में एक पेंडिंग है, उसमें भी सम थिंग्स आर कमिंग हियर एंड देयर, सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन दैट ऑल्सो. So it's not going as planned the month. Plus allergic season आ गया है, so it's literally driving me mad. But I love Bombay. I love being back at home. अपना वो एक comfort मिल रहा है, so I'm liking it. Obviously, I'm missing my nephew, but yeah, I'm just happy. इसके चक्कर में level 3 वाला जो मुझे बताना है आपको कि हाँ या ना, वो भी खींचे जा रहा है. I'm not doing it जान के guys. I promise I'm not doing it जान के. जब होगा, I'm just waiting for certain things जो मैंने उस वीडियो में भी कहा था, जो हो नहीं रही है. पता नहीं मैं कैसे बताऊँ आपको. लाइक आई डोंट नो, आज तो एकदम रेंट में निकल रहा है कि एक तो तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं है. बट या, that's what it is. That's what's happening. I've started driving again. That is one thing I was really missing in the UK, to drive. And oh my god, I felt so good. Not wanting to be overconfident because आप लोगों को पता है I'm just a new student मतलब नहीं, स्टूडेंट से तो ग्रेजुएट हो गए, न्यू फ्रेशर. न्यू फ्रेशर क्या होता है? फ्रेशर होता है. बट एनीवे, आई शुड शट अप. यू गेट द पॉइंट. Please send good wishes, guys. Please say कि July will get better than what it is, because right now it's really, I don't know, I try to be very grateful for the things that are there, but then I don't know why my mind always gets distracted by the things that are not there. Tell me, are you also like that? हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई इंसान ऐसे ना हो. बट या, प्लीज़ सेंड गुड विशेस कि अब थोड़ा सा द लास्ट 2 weeks में जो मैंने सोचा था, जैसे सोचा था वो हो जाए, बिकॉज आई लाइक बीइंग इन प्लान सो मच. आई कांट टेल यू. एंड द यूनिवर्स इज टेस्टिंग मी, बट we'll pull through. Of course we'll pull through. You know what, I'm gonna end this video. ठीक है, आप लोग गुड विशेस भेजना सबके सब. डोंट फॉरगेट द इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स दैट आई मेड. आई विल सी यू लाइव नेक्स्ट वीक, एंड I will see the giveaway winners whenever we hit 10,000 subscribers. तो वो भी जल्दी करा लो ना. What is the problem? Just one subscribe button you have to press. That's it. So much I want to do for you, but you guys are not supporting. Please थोड़ा सा show love and support. Please. Thank you for watching this. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.